The 2018 1-cent coin, commonly referred to as the Lincoln penny, holds deep historical roots that trace back over a century. It represents more than just its small monetary value. It stands as a symbol of American heritage, political evolution, and numismatic development. Minted in 2018 by the United States Mint, this coin continues the legacy of the Lincoln cent series that first debuted in 1909, commemorating the 100th anniversary of President Abraham Lincoln's birth. The penny was the first U.S. coin to feature a real person, marking a shift in American coin design from symbolic figures like Liberty to real historical leaders. Designed by Victor David Brenner, the original obverse front of the penny features a detailed side portrait of Abraham Lincoln. Brenner's initials, VDB, were originally placed prominently on the reverse of the 1909 issue, but due to public criticism, they were quickly removed. They returned in 1918, but in a more discreet location on the obverse, just below Lincoln's shoulder. This design has remained largely unchanged since then, making it one of the longest-running coin designs in U.S. history. In the 2018 version, you'll still see Lincoln facing right, with the inscriptions "In God We Trust, Liberty," and the year 2018 stamped clearly. Coins minted in Philadelphia bear no mint mark, while those from Denver are marked with AD, and from San Francisco with an S. The reverse back of the 2018 penny features the Union Shield design, introduced in 2010 and still used in 2018. This replaced the 4 special reverse designs issued in 2009 to mark Lincoln's bicentennial, each depicting a different phase of his life. The shield design, created by Lyndall Bass, shows a single horizontal bar across 13 vertical stripes representing the 13 original states joined in one union. A scroll across the top reads 1 cent, and the top of the coin is stamped with United States of America. This symbolism reflects the preservation of the Union, a key theme of Lincoln's presidency during the Civil War. The composition of the 2018 penny is 97.5% zinc and 2.5% copper, with a thin copper coating to give it the traditional red color. This composition has been standard since 1982, when the U.S. Mint transitioned from mostly copper coins due to rising metal costs. The weight of each coin is 2.5 grams, and it has a diameter of 19.05 millimeters. Although the face value remains at 1 cent, the cost of producing the penny in 2018 slightly exceeded its value. One of the ongoing controversies surrounding the coin. The 2018 penny was minted in large quantities, with hundreds of millions produced across all 3 mints. The Philadelphia and Denver mints handle the bulk of circulation strikes, while the San Francisco Mint typically handles proof coins for collectors. The proof versions of the 2018 penny, particularly from San Francisco, are sharply struck with mirror-like fields and frosted design elements prized by numismatists. History.